Hi guys, this is Steven from Luna. I'm really excited to show you around, show you what we built, and to show you how Luna is helping small teams of SDRs to become much more effective and in the end, close more deals. At this moment, these SDRs can either do two things, or they do everything manually, taking about 20 to 30 minutes per prospect, researching on LinkedIn, writing messages and stuff like that, or they can automate everything. But then in the traditional form of automation, where they're basically downloading a list of 1,000 people and sending them a templated message, hoping that one or two will respond, and hopefully for them, we'll book a meeting. With Luna, these people can actually get the best of both worlds because Luna automates everything, but also includes the personal touch that you would be looking for in doing everything manually. And this is exactly what it looks like. So what you can see here is the Luna platform. And as you can see, we really wanted to make it as easy as possible, as intuitive as possible for people to use Luna. The interesting thing about Luna is that all the heavy lifting, all the smart software is done in the back end, and everything in the front end gets presented to the user in the form of a card, which basically shows you all the information that is necessary. So you can see an example of a card like this, where on the left-hand side, you can find some more information about, well, Mike Ballard in this case. You can check out some personal information about Mike or some information about the company. And when you decided that Mike is the perfect fit for you and you really like to get in touch, then you move over to the right-hand side. And as you can see, this is my first interaction with Mike. So this is what Luna would suggest to write as a first message. And what you can do, which you can read through it. It's personalized, as you can see, written towards Leafwire and Mike. But you can also add stuff if you'd like that, or you can delete stuff as well. And the cool thing is if you change stuff and you schedule the email, then Luna is actually learning from what you're doing. So every interaction that you have with the platform makes Luna smarter and a better fit for you. And then you can either snooze it, so push the card at the back of the stack, as you can see here. So you see another other first interaction right here. Discard the email or schedule the email. So for example, with this one, you can schedule it, and then you can see that it gets sent out today. Next to first emails, there are also follow-up emails. So what you can see here is I've already had a prior interaction with Tyrek. You can view it here. You can view the email as well. And you can see, well, this is basically what Luna would say as a second step. A couple of important things to mention as well is that, for one, there's statistics, of course. So what you can see here is that Luna is also not only tracking open rate and reply rate, of course, but also interested and meeting score. So Luna's AI is actually scanning the incoming messages and determining whether people are interested. They have some sort of buying intent. And of course, if there's a meeting scored, which is the ultimate end goal for Luna. And if you go to settings, you can connect Luna to your CRM as well. So we have a native integration to Pipedrive and HubSpot, but using Zapier, our users can connect to any CRM system in the world, where Luna would basically log all the interactions that people have with the prospects in that CRM system. So the CRM system can be used for all the administrative stuff, and everything can be checked, and Luna does that for you. Another interesting thing as well is lead setting. So when you're going through your onboarding as a new Luna user, then Luna is going to ask you a couple of questions based on the company that you're working for, and the people, and also about the people that you want to reach out to. That's what you see here. So you can set up your target industries, countries, business sizes, and target job titles, which would basically give Luna a head start. And then next to that, the more you interact with the platform per leads as well. So if I were to approve one lead and deny another, then Luna learns from that and make sure that every lead that is suggested will be better than the previous one. So this was a quick intro into Luna. I'm really looking forward to hearing what you think, and if there's any questions, you know where to find me.